In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete YouTube playlists. For some reason, after creating your YouTube playlist, you want to delete it and you don't know how. I'm going to provide you with a quick steps on how to delete it. On your phone, navigate to your Play Store and make sure your YouTube app is up to date. Then proceed to open. On the bottom right corner, you see library. If you are using your PC, on the left menus, you see library there. Then proceed to click there. Among the list of menus here, you see playlists. Proceed to click on view all. So these are the list of all the YouTube playlists I'm currently having on my account. In order to delete the one I'm not interested, I'll just proceed to locate the three ellipses on the right side and click there. And when I hover on the bottom, I will see delete or edit. In my case, I want to delete, so I'll proceed to click on delete. I'll be prompted whether I'm sure to delete the playlist or proceed to click on delete. So this playlist will be deleted shortly. In order to confirm the delete, you can just refresh the page and you will no longer see the playlist there. If you enjoyed this video, consider hitting the like button and share it to your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe to see many content like this. See you in the next video. Bye bye.